University of California di Davis atau UC Davis membuka pusat penelitian kopi UC Davis Coffee Center.
For many years, coffee has been understudied academically, not just at UC Davis, but around the country. And given how important coffee is to our culture, to our economy, to our society, coffee needs academic study.
Mahasiswa meneliti biji kopi sebelum dipanen hingga setelah dipanggang.
A lot of people here think of, making coffee. You pour hot water over brown powder. How hard can that be?
Kenyataannya, proses membuat kopi lebih rumit dari perkiraan banyak orang.
Most people tend to think that I'm kind of like a barista-ish. I know how to make a cup of coffee, but they don't really understand how much science and engineering and how much innovation is needed in the coffee industry.
Pusat studi kopi ini berawal dari sebuah mata kuliah populer yang kemudian berkembang menjadi pusat riset multidisipliner. Kylie adalah mahasiswa serata 1 ilmu teknik rekayasa kimia.
When people taste the coffee, we like to determine if the sensory notes in it. So if it's a little sour, if it's a little earthy, if it tastes a little burnt, and we use that to determine the flavor profile.
Laudia adalah seorang mahasiswa doktoral di bidang ilmu kinetika.
I want to use science or chemistry or engineering to be able to control how your roasted beans are going to come out of the roaster. So we could control things like its acidity level.
Dibandingkan riset seputar anggur misalnya, studi soal kopi di Amerika Serikat relatif tertinggal. UC Davis sebelumnya juga memiliki pusat penelitian anggur selain juga bir dan teh.
Here's the size of the wine economy. Here's the size of the coffee economy in the United States. But then when you look at the academic investment, there's a lot for wine. There's a whole department here of wine. Historically, nothing for coffee. And so that's what we're trying to change. We're trying to elevate coffee and make it a topic of academic research and an academic talent pipeline to help support the industry and help support what's arguably the world's most important beverage.
Menurut data National Coffee Association, sebuah asosiasi yang mewakili produsen kopi dan industri terkait, industri kopi di Amerika Serikat mempekerjakan sedikitnya 2,2 juta orang dan menyumbang sekitar $350 miliar ke ekonomi AS setiap tahunnya. Survei terkini oleh asosiasi yang sama menyebutkan bahwa 67% warga dewasa Amerika minum kopi setiap harinya. Ini peningkatan signifikan dibandingkan survei 20 tahun sebelumnya yang menunjukkan tak sampai separuh mengaku demikian. Dengan hasil survei ini, maka asosiasi ini mengklaim kopi adalah minuman yang paling sering diminum warga Amerika, bahkan melebihi air minum. Dari Washington DC, saya Nova Purwadi dan tim VOA.